Hello viewers of Weteta Television. Today we are going on with our topic of division in mathematics. My name is Madam Loveness Lukumai. You are welcome. Now, what is the meaning of division? Division is one of the basic arithmetic operations in mathematics, in which a large number is broken into smaller groups having the same number of items. In other hand, we can say division is the process of repetitive subtraction. It is the inverse of multiplication operation. It's the act of forming equal groups. This dividing number will break down a large number into a smaller number that the multiplication of those smaller numbers will be equal to the large number taken. For example, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. This can be written as multiplication fact as 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now we are going to look on the division symbol. The division symbol consists of small horizontal line with dots each above and below the line as it is shown above. But there are two basic definition symbols that present the division of two numbers. The symbol that are seen above there is the first one, and the slash sometimes is used as division symbol. For example, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, and 4 slash 2 is equal to 2. So in this way, I just want to remind you that you can either use the first symbol or the second symbol, but both means the same. Part of division. Now let us discuss on this. There are 4 parts of division, which are dividend, divider, divisor, quotient, and remainder. For example, here we have number 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. What does it mean? Number 9 here is the dividend. Number 3 is divisor. And number 3 again is quotient. Means the answer. Here, number 9 is dividend. Number 2 is divider. And the other number 4 is quotient, but number 1 there is the remainder. So sometimes when dividing the whole number, you can divide them and get the answer without remainder or with remainder. There are 2 types of division, in the short form and in the long form. How to do division? Let us discuss on how we can divide number. 1-digit division can be done by using multiplication table. You can use multiplication table, for example. To solve 36 divided by 6, we just need to see what we need to multiply by 6 and get 6. And the answer is clearly 6 times 6, we get 36. Therefore, 36 divided by 6 is 6. Then it's come to the division of number with greater number. Then we can use long division method. Let us take, for example, 65 divided by 5 to understand it. Follow the steps below to learn how to do division. Step 1. Draw the division symbol as shown in the previous example. The symbol is seen there, and write 5 divisor on the left side of dividend 65, enclose under the symbol. Step 2. Take the first digit of the dividend from the left 6. Check this digit is greater than or equal to the divisor. If the first digit of the dividend is less than the divisor, then consider the first 2 digits of the dividend. Step 3. When divided by the divisor, and write the number on top of as quotient. Here the quotient of 6 divided by 5 is 1. Step 4. Subtract the product of the divisor and the digit written in the quotient. 5 times 1 from the first digit of the dividend, and write the difference below. Here the difference is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Step 5. Bring down the next digit of the dividend if present. Then the next digit in the dividend is 5 in our question. Repeat the same process until you get remainder less than the divisor. That is the example which was explained above, but it is written there as it is. So we follow the steps and divide, and we get the remainder. So 65 divided by 5, the answer will be 13. Now let us discuss with the division with remainder. It's not always mandatory to have 0 as remainder. If the dividend is not multiple of the divisor, then we get non-zero remainder. When we get a non-zero remainder while dividing a number by another, it is known as division with remainder. Let us take an example of distributing 9 balloons to children equally, to 2 children equally, such that both children will have an equal number with them. Is it possible to do that without getting a leftover? Dividing 9 by 2 will give 4 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. We can make 2 groups of 4 balloons for each other. One group will be left. Look at the image below and show the divisor with the remainder. Here we have 9 balloons, but we divide those 9 balloons to 2 children. When we divide, we get 1. So 9 divided by 2, we get 4 with the 1 remainder. That is how we can solve the questions of dividing with remainder. Now I'm going to leave you with activity. Divide the following given mathematics with divisions. For example, 27 divided by 9, 36 divided by 6, 45 divided by 5, 28 divided by 4. I hope that you have already understand on how to divide numbers. Thank you. Welcome back again.